Okay. Wow, it really turns.
What do you fly?
I'm gonna fly my F-5. And then I think they're gonna come chase after me most likely.
You guys haven't flown yet?
He just finished flying it.
Yeah.
Okay, take it off!
I remember on my last power I was floating.
Gear up, flaps up.
Alright, coming out!
I'm doing a downwind pass, guys.
Alright.
You can go out if you want. Go ahead.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I saw you, don't worry.
Alright. I'm gonna go pass over you guys. That's Jim? Hey, maybe is that Jim? No, he has to free it. He has to free it? No. Go fast. My gear doors are also hanging out like that.
They always do. I'm cutting ahead of you, Ryan. Going up. I think we just had a wind shift.
Yeah, we had a wind shift.
It might be a thermal. It's a thermal. It went away.
No, it's like a cross. Now it's not a crosswind.
Yeah, it went away though. It came and went. Low pass after the hawk. Nobody's honking. What the hell? We didn't even know there were cars there. They never honked. Pull up.
Sorry, my bad. I stayed in honk.
Honked after you went by.
What good's that gonna do?
I don't know.
Sorry.
No, not you. Well, there's no way we know. They're not honking to tell us they're there.
Ryan, I'm gonna form up with you. I'll do something. Do a low pass.
10,
Low pass, fast low pass from the right.
7,
I'm already here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was nice.
Okay, guys, I'm landing from the right.
Down.
Alright.
I'll be down pretty quick.
Ryan, we look good together. I'll low pass with you. Alright. Are you landing there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do it.
I'm down.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
I'm gonna do a low pass. No. I'm gonna do downwind.
What the heck? Why are you doing that? Come back. I think I have a gear loose. Something's loose. Whoa, mama. Crazy guys.